have a working website that we built in Google AI Studio. If you have a side business or even primary business where you are a coach or a consultant of some kind and you need to make some sort of portfolio website, I'm going to show you how to do that right now on a free Gmail account using Google AI Studio. In our last two videos, we used Google AI Studio to build a browser game and an interactive photo website for my cat Cosette. If you missed those videos, I will link to them. In this video, we're building a consulting website for world-ranked and certified running coach Tina Klein. Hi, my name is Caroline. I make technology tutorials, hardware automations, and travel videos. I also hold bachelor's and master's degrees in electrical engineering from Georgia Tech, and I'm author of A Woman's Guide to Winning in Tech. Check it out. We are building this on my refurbished Chromebook and an internet connection. All you need is your free Gmail account. You can create a GitHub repository and a Vercel account. I'm starting the screen record portion on my default desktop of my Chromebook. I'm going to open up my Chrome browser here. I'll start off at aistudio.google.com. Click on New App, and you want to describe the app that you need to make. Make a website for balanced running, run by Coach Tina Klein. Feature her photos, her links, her social media. She offers concierge coaching and group coaching through Kennesaw Parks and Rec. Now I'm going to include some files. I've got some photos of her. Select all of these photos. I'm going to hit open, and I'm going to hit acknowledge that I do have rights to these photos. It's going to upload all of these photos. Add files. You can also add from Drive. And I have some about balanced running information that I want to include and some of her content. She's done a lot of podcasts and blog posts and emails. So I've got a lot of it summarized into these documents. So I'm going to hit insert, and I'm going to add, I would like an interactive chat with virtual coach Tina based on her content in the documents. I'm going to hit tab, and it says, and ensure the interface remains clean and responsive for mobile users. Hit send prompt, and let's see what happens with Google AI Studio. And one of the things that I love about Google AI Studio is that it presents you with some options for themes. And here we go. You can select a design. There are natural tones, bold typography, bento grid, editorial aesthetic, vibrant palette. There are lots of choices here. I'm going to skip that just because it takes longer to make this website, but I have done it in the previous videos if you do want to see how it works out when you do a design preference. And we have our first iteration of the balanced running website with Coach Tina Klein. Virtual Coach Tina, chat with Coach Tina, scroll up, balanced running, improve your quality of life through running. It has a lot of information about Tina. You're probably wondering where all that came from. That was on the documents that I included. You'll see her tagline is improve your quality of life through running, and it gives a little bio for her and her offers and her social media links. Her coaching, her philosophies. It created all of that through what was provided. This is not a picture of Coach Tina. That is one of the challenges I found with Google AI Studio is even if you provide it with images, it kind of finds some images on the internet and puts those in its place. So we're going to address that in the next step. We got a really good start to it. I want to show you the code. There's a ton of code that it creates. There's this Chatbot official training portal for balanced running. There is coach data, her Facebook, her Instagram. There are her social media links. Cool. I did read all of that from that document I provided. You can make changes to these documents right here. I'm going to click on SRC folder. There are assets. It made its own logo. This is not her logo, but it's very nice. Somehow came up with these images of not Coach Tina Klein. That is not her. I'm going to go ahead and delete these images, and it's going to break the website when I do so. Hit delete on these images, and we're going to upload her real images. Hit delete. Hit delete. Yes, I'm sure. I'm going to hit save. Hit add items from File Explorer. I'm going to upload files, and I've got all of her images. Hit open. This is one of her images. To move each of them up to images to her folder. And now I've got all the images moved up to the images folder. I'm going to hit save, and you can see she's got her logo. And the other thing we can also just change ourselves is index.html. This is the title that's in the tab, and I'm going to change that to balanced running, and I'm going to hit save. The preview is going to be broken because I have deleted the files it was referencing. Now I'm going to prompt it and say I have added photos in balanced running src assets /images folder. Please replace and use these images, check all images. And I'm going to send that. It's going to go through another iteration, and I'll be right back. We are back. We have the next iteration of the balanced running website with Coach Tina. Let's see, we've got her information here, but last time we didn't have her real photo. But now, look at this. We have her real photos, talking about her concierge coaching plan. This is beautiful. What a winner that we've got here. And the other thing about this website is that we wanted to chat with Coach Tina. There is a virtual Coach Tina here, and this is her digital twin, and you can chat with her. I think we can deploy this and see if we can actually chat with virtual Coach Tina. But let's talk about publishing this now. So I'm going to hit publish. The default is to publish it with Google. May need a paid plan for that. I think there are some ways to do this without a paid plan, but the way I like to do things is to go over to GitHub here, and I'm going to sign into GitHub to continue. This is my free GitHub account, and I'm going to give it access to all repositories. I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to call this Balanced Running, a website for Coach Tina Klein, and I'm going to hit create GitHub repository. Now, full disclosure, I did have a small problem pushing out to GitHub. It might have been a conflict with, I already did this project prior to rolling this camera. So I'm going to just use the original project that I created. Here is the GitHub page for it, or the GitHub repo for it. I have uploaded all of the code, pushed all of the code to my GitHub page, and now I'm going to head over to Vercel. And this is Vercel.com. This is a free account on Vercel that you can create. And I am just going to hit Add New, and I'm going to click Project, and then I'm going to import a Git repository, balanced running. I'm going to click Import. Then it's going to say, hey, do you want to build this? Do you want to deploy this? I'm going to hit Deploy. I have just completed deploying my new project to my Vercel. Click Continue to Dashboard. My domain is balancedrunning.vercel.app. Here is Balanced Running website. I am showing you a different version of the website, and here we go. Here is the Tina Klein website with some lovely pictures of her and her virtual elite coaching and her concierge coaching. Check this out. Recommendations, her content here. Select your technique. We also have cadence. You can ask Coach Tina, welcome to the private training consult. And this is absolutely free. And this is based on her actual content, her podcast, her thought leadership that she's already put out there. Let's ask her a question about hill power. How should I run Atlanta's steep hills? And then she's got a response. In Atlanta, you can't avoid the hills. You need to embrace them. So you could type in a question, hit enter, and then she responds. Here's my 4-step blueprint to get started safely and successfully. And there you go. That is how this website works. So it is a public website at balancedrunning.vercel.app. But let's say we want to make this into our domain. Head back over to Vercel, and we're in this project. Now I want to scroll down and hit Add Custom Domain. Of course, you can buy a domain from Vercel, but I've already purchased several domains for the sake of this video to show you how I made a subdomain or attach this to a domain that I already own called carolinedunn.us, and the subdomain is balanced, but of course you could make this the main domain, and I'm going to click Add Existing. And it's going to say, hey, do you want to add this domain? I'm going to click Add Domain. And it's going to give me some instructions to CNAME. So I'm going to click Learn More. I'm going to go over to GoDaddy. And I'm not sponsored by GoDaddy. This is just the DNS provider I used. And I'm going to add this as a CNAME. So I'm going to go over to my GoDaddy. I do own carolinedunn.us. And I'm going to go over to DNS records. I'm going to add a new record. And I'm going to choose CNAME. It is balanced. Then go back over here. I need to copy the value, paste that in. And I do want to add one more record to prove I own this. It is a text record, text, and it gives me the name, and then it gives me the value. And I'll paste that, and I'll hit Save All Records. And it does take a few minutes for GoDaddy and everybody to propagate this change. Now I'm going to head back to Vercel. This will usually automatically update. You can hit this refresh button. I'll be right back when this gets done, but usually it takes a few minutes. There we go. We have completed our CNAME verification. It is now balance.carolinedunn.us, but of course it's whatever URL you would like it to be. And we have our Balanced Running website up and running now. Elite Performance, Military Discipline, Your Ultimate Journey. And this is based on the content from Coach Tina Klein of Balanced Running. And it features her logo, it features her photos here, and we do have what she offers, and we do have this lovely interactive website, and you can actually just chat with Tina Klein. And just like that, we have a premium professional consulting website for Balanced Running and Coach Tina Klein live on a public URL for free. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.